Hello guys, today we are talking about Vio E15 Ryzen 5 laptop. In box they gave us one bag, laptop, power adapter. Talk about the bag, it comes with a decent bag. Inside they put both side sponges, it prevents from scratches. Put aside. Let's talk about the power adapter. It comes with output 39.9 watt. You can see the specifications here. Okay, talk about the laptop. Let's talk about the display. It comes with full HD IPS display. It's very thin bezel. It's very good for movies and online classes. Okay, talk about the keyboard. It comes with backlit LED keyboard. It's very comfortable while typing. You can see the LED light. Very nice. Let's talk about the port. We have HDMI port, one USB Type-C port, one USB 3.1 port, one DC in port for charging. On left side we have one SD card slot, one USB port, one audio jack. Finally, it's very decent laptop. If you have online classes, you can see movies in this laptop. Very nice. I personally like this laptop. It's very good for office work also. Thank you.